and welcome to Day 7. If you have dedicated a decade and a half to this profession, you know that there is a specific kind of exhaustion that arrives during midterm and final exam season in Thailand. You have taught the material, now you have to write a 50-question exam. Writing a good test is actually incredibly difficult. If you are writing a multiple-choice reading comprehension test, inventing the correct answer is easy. The agonizing part is inventing the distractors, the 3 wrong answers. If the distractors are too obvious, the test is too easy. If they are confusing, the test is unfair. Teachers spend hours at their screen trying to think of tricky, plausible wrong answers. Furthermore, we often accidentally test memorization rather than actual comprehension. Today, we are going to hand this incredibly tedious task over to the AI. We are going to use AI to generate a robust, standard-aligned assessments in minutes. Let's build a reading comprehension test for Matayom 3. I have a reading passage about the history of the internet that I already generated using AI. I am going to paste that passage into ChatGPT and use this precise prompt. Act as a strict, highly experienced Thai ONET exam writer. I am providing a reading passage for CEFR A2 level students. Based only on the provided text, generate a 10-question multiple-choice exam. Critical constraint, provide 4 options, A, B, C, D, for each question. Ensure the distractors, the wrong answers, are highly plausible and common mistakes for Thai learners. Include an answer key at the very bottom. Let's analyze this output. Question 1 asks for the main idea. Look at question number 3. It asks, what does the word connect in paragraph 2 likely mean? The distractors are phenomenal. They are just random words. They are words that look similar or have adjacent meanings, forcing the students to actually use context clues. The AI understood exactly what an ONET-style questions looks like. But what if we want to push our advanced students? What if we want to test critical thinking, not just vocabulary? We use the iteration loop. I reply to the AI, these questions are good, but they are only test basic recall. Rewrite questions 8, 9, and 10 to test higher order thinking according to Bloom's taxonomy. Ask the student to make an inference or identify the author's tone. Instantly, the AI upgrade the assessment. Question 8 now reads, based on the last paragraph, what will most likely happen to the internet in the future? The students have to infer the answer. You just have dramatically increased the academic rigor of your exam with a single sentence. Finally, we have the administrative side. Your school likely has a very specific format for exams. You can tell the AI exactly how to format the text so you can copy and paste it cleanly. Tell it, format this without any bold text, put the question on one line, and put A, B, C, D on a separate lines below it. You can generate a completely original, academically rigorous 50-question final exam in under 20 minutes. In the next video, we are going to look to the other side of assessment, grading subjective tasks like speaking and writing.